Hi, I'm Amy Fleury, and I am the designer here at C&W Custom Woodworking. So today we are looking at the Hallberg residence. This is her great room. This house is in Indian Hill, and she's actually downsizing, and this is still a monstrous house. It's beautiful. In the great room, what she wanted is to tie her entertainment center in with the fireplace, and then we added wainscoting on the walls to bring it all into one cohesive elevation. It also ties into a ceiling above, as you can see. That's just part of the ceiling. Sometimes when I render them, I don't do the whole ceiling because then all you see is this grid flying through the air. She is doing mesh on her lower doors, which is going to look really great. We did use a rabbeted molding. A rabbeted molding means it's got a little notch out of it. Since this job has a lot of moldings, I put a little doodle up here showing what moldings we have. So on the counters, we call this standard counter edge. This is our traditional shelf edge, and it's pretty and it adds stability to the shelf. And here is our friend PM250R, and this is what we call a rabbet, or a little notch, and that will stick on the face frame, and this will stick down in the middle of the panel.
I am Phil, trying to stay sane. I am working on the Hallberg residence mantle. We have PM250 panels to make. These squares are the panels. This piece of wood here is what these black lines are supposed to represent.
And it's a molding that goes around the edge of the squares, and it overlaps the face frame, but it also sticks down into the face frame. It's a really nice molding that makes that transition.
Louder. Think louder.